So our question was, how many AP classes have you taken? And our collection method was convenience and also voluntary response. The mean for this was 4.3 AP classes. The median was 4 AP classes. The mode was 1, and we got 19 responses for 1, and the mid-range was 9 APs.
And the way that you figure out the mid-range is you take the highest value and the lowest value, you add them, and then divide it by 2. And then for the measures of spread, there was a standard deviation of 3.4, and you find that out by taking the sum of all of your values. So you take the sum of all of you take each individual value and subtract it from the mean, and then you square each value. And then you take the sum of all the values and divide it by the amount of values you have minus 1. And then that gets you your variance, and then you take the square root of that, and that gives you your standard deviation. So the standard deviation is 3.4, like it says here. The range is between 0 and 18. The variance, which is like the non-square root version of standard deviation, is 11.5. And now for interquartile range, our quartile 1 was 1. Our quartile 2, which is also the median, was 4 APs, and our quartile 3 was 6 APs. And we made a box and whisker plot, or graph.
So for the box and whisker graph, we had 0 APs, which is the minimum, 18 APs, which was the max, and our quartile 1 was 1 AP. Our quartile 3 response was 6 APs, and then the median out of those was 4.5 APs.
Normal distribution graph, means 4.3, standard deviations 3.4. The mean goes in the middle, and then you have 3 standard deviations going to the right, 3 going to the left. To find the right, all you do is add 3.4 to the mean, and then to go to the left, all you do is subtract 3.4 from the mean. The 68% represents one standard deviation away. It ranges from 0.9 to 7.7. The 95% represents it's 2 standard deviations away, and it's negative 2.5 to 11.1. Then the 99.7 is 3 standard deviations away with negative 5.9 to 14.5.